In this video, we will show you the new features from Notepad latest version. The Notepad latest version have new features. There is new tab on the Notepad application, and also the Notepad will save automatically your session. So when you accidentally close the Notepad, your progress will save, and of course it will very helpful for us that usually using Notepad to type some words or code some application. Okay, to get the update from Notepad, you need to open your Microsoft Store. And my Windows is 23H2. I will show for you in here. This is my Windows, and I also registered in the dev channel. After we open the Microsoft Store, we type in here Notepad and make sure your Notepad. This is by Microsoft. Okay, make sure the Notepad you open on the Microsoft Store is by Microsoft Corporation, and then click the update button. Okay, I'm very excited about the Notepad newest feature or update the features, because if we using the Notepad, often we forgot to close the Notepad while we're not saving the text or our progress. This is still updating and downloading, and if you don't yet update your Notepad, you can do this step, of course. After we are done, we can try to click open our new Notepad, and voila, you can see after our Notepad is open, you can see the new features, new tab in here. There is work grids, so we can open many files without opening in new window. And in here you can also select the app theme for Notepad using dark version like this, or you can prefer using the light version that commonly we use. And in here I will close this Notepad to see the content will automatically save or not. But okay, in the Microsoft announcement, it will automatically save our contents. Okay, if not, we will see in the next update by Microsoft. Okay, like this, you can see there. We will try to close, and it's still asking the question. So the automatically save the content not work on this version of Notepad, but let's see in the futures. Okay, we open, and what happened if I save this new untitled and .txt? Will this untitled and this open for this? Okay, not saving our new session because this is on dev channel. So there is many bugs, and the new tab is work great, but not for the automatically save our content. And that's all tutorial how the new features of Notepad appear in the dev channel and the latest version of Notepad.